Ready to take your membrane projects to the next level with cutting-edge technology? I'm Voss from Dulatite New Material. Today, let's talk about our high-performance PVC membrane fabrics, built for strength, longevity, and design flexibility. From UV protection to self-cleaning capabilities, Dulatite's membrane materials are engineered to remain durable and clean even in harsh environments. Designed to withstand extreme climates, block UV rays, meet the AN 4102B1 fire-resistant standards and resistant to acids, bases, mold, and chemical corrosion. These materials are suitable for air-supported buildings, frame membrane structures, tensioned roofs, and even sewage tank covers. Manufactured using advanced knife coating equipment with precision layering and widths up to 5 meters, these PVC-coated fabrics deliver excellent tensile strength from 4,000 to 9,000 newtons. Weights range from 900 to 1,400 grams per square meter, and surface treatments like lacquer, PVDF, Acrylic, or TO2 coatings further enhance performance. With custom-engineered PVC formulation and base fabric, our material gains enhanced anti-wicking, ideal for permanent structures such as large-span canopies, car parks, and sports facilities. Thank you. Visit our website or message us to learn how Dulatite can elevate your next project.